Keeping track of your money and spending within your limits can be a difficult thing to do. One of the best ways to do so is to create a budget. The first step to budgeting is to understand what your expenses are. These will come from a variety of different things, such as housing, food, school, and can also come from any other miscellaneous expenses you may incur, such as transportation or health expenses. The next step is to understand the financial resources you have. This will be comprised of your current income, any savings, and loans. Ideally, all expenses should be paid out of your current income so that your savings can grow and you can refrain from taking out loans. However, as loans are necessary for many students, the very act of budgeting and financial planning becomes increasingly important, as the financial decisions made during school will affect the rest of your life after graduation. One of the ways budgeting can be completed is to use or create a budgeting worksheet such as the one shown here. This can help you to keep track of your income and expenses, as well as set them in relation to one another and understand the outcome of your current financial circumstances. Budgeting and using your money well is important, as when your income is greater than expenses, it can result in surplus and in savings. When your expenses are greater than your income, it will result in debt and financial difficulty. Once you have made a budget, it is important to stick to it, so that your financial planning can actually end in your favor. To do so, you must spend wisely, and keep track of your daily transactions so that you can cut unnecessary spending. By doing so, it can also help you to understand at a higher level the flow of your money, helping you to better keep or more effectively channel your money. Another resource that can help you to move in a more positive financial direction, or to at least remain where you are, is a bank. By having a savings account, you can help put money away for a time of need. Also, a checking account can help you keep track of your money by keeping a list of how your money has been spent. There are many banks out there, so spend your time hunting down the right one and opening the right accounts that will be the most helpful towards maintaining a budget and saving money. Other simple steps you can take towards maintaining your budget are to minimize your expenses. A large step towards this is to avoid taking out a loan or buying on credit. You should also be realistic with your spending, putting a limit on how much you will let yourself buy. You can also find inexpensive alternatives, such as cooking with your friends instead of going out, shopping at thrift stores, or going to free events and concerts throughout the city. Another important part of maintaining a budget and growing financially in a positive direction is to generate positive income. By having greater income, you will be able to pay immediately for expenses instead of using loan money or buying things off credit. It can also allow you to put more money in savings and better face the expenses you deal with on a daily basis. As navigating your financial life can be a difficult process, creating and working with a budget can be one of the best places to start. The financial decisions you make today will affect you every day for the rest of your life.